So to simplify the expression with the multiplication, all we're going to do is multiply across. So the first step is 6n squared times 21n. So we got 126n cubed. Then we're going to do 6n times 42, and that's how we got 252n. So same thing with this. So 6n times 21n is 126n squared because there's two n's. Then 6 times 42 is 252n. It's only n because there's only one n. And then we're gonna do the same thing for the bottom. So 126n, we got that because 14n times 9n. So 126n squared. Then we're gonna do 14n times. Then we're gonna do 14n times 9n. So that gives us 126n squared, n squared because there's two n's. Then we're gonna move on to 14n times 18, which is 252n because there's only one n. Then same thing, we're gonna do 14 times 9n, which gives us 126n. Then 14 times 18, which leaves us with 252. So the last step will be to combine like terms. So let's focus on the top first. So we're gonna look at the ends. So because there's no other n cubed, we're just gonna write 126n cubed. Then there's n by itself. There's two of them, so we're gonna add 252 plus 252. So that gives us 504n. Since because there's no other square, we're just gonna drop 126n squared. That's why it's right here. Same thing for the bottom. So because there's no squared, 126n squared plus 378n. So because there's two n's, we're gonna add 252 plus 126. That's how we got 378. Then because there's nothing left, drop down the 252, and this is your final answer.